dirty clothes on the ground, I pretend I don't see. Candy wrappers are found between the bed and the sheets. My succulents died a million times. Now where do I get my...
So here we are at Soho Farmhouse in Oxfordshire, and we are in one of the Piglet rooms, which is inspired by the little houses that pigs live in, though I don't think any pigs have actually lived in here. And I'm going to give you a quick tour of what we've got. So you can see outside we are next to another field, and we've got 2 bikes. Every Piglet room comes with 2 bikes, and then here by on the sort of balcony area we've got seating as well, and then really lovely sort of cotton curtains and full blackout curtains as well. And then coming into the room we've got our lovely big TV and 2 chairs and a table, which is all quite close together, but in a cozy way it still works. And then over here we have the bar, which is all chargeable, not included, but a million different types of implements and different types of cocktail makers, and even a little spray thing there as well. We have tea and coffee makers, so you've got a full Nespresso machine, different teas as well. We've got a mini bar which has lots of different drinks in it, and the milk, which we can use for coffee, is included. Everything else is chargeable. A beautiful Marshall radio, of course, nice big TV, and this is the key, by the way, with the little piglet on, or big pig on. The room comes with lots and lots of extras. In here we've got the hairdryer, we've got a flat iron, adapters, chargers, steamers, a bag for the laundry, and a lint roller, so pretty much thought of everything there. And there's even a snack drawer as part of the mini bar, which has got chocolates and crisps and everything in as well. Quite a big, useful mirror, which is great for doing makeup and everything, something that most hotel rooms don't usually have. The beds can be either 2 singles or put together to be a double, and they're super comfy, really big squishy pillows. You get 3 big pillows, which is amazing, and 2 bedside tables on each side, and each day the room comes with a can of water. And then over in the bathroom area we've got our lovely Soho House dressing gowns, really cool bathroom sink, which is like this stone, and then we've got a toilet, and then a really big shower that's got pretty much every product that Cowshed make for shampoo and conditioner, and a nice rain shower. So this is actually the most basic room in Soho Farmhouse, and it costs around £300, £350 a night, and that's it.